everybody, it's Annabelle from East Coast Mummy. It has been a while since I have done a Dollarama hauls video, so I thought I would pop in today and share some of my favorite summer finds. The arrival of summer always makes me want to get organized. So I wanted to share the 3 organizational tools that I found yesterday. I am planning to organize my linen closet and some shelving in my walk-in closet today. This is what it looks like. Seriously, pretty bad, right? So one of the things I bought to help me out was this rack that slides in over a shelf. I may use it in my linen closet if I have some vertical space that I want to fill. I haven't quite decided. If not, I'm going to put it in my office to decorate some of my to organize some of my crafting supplies. So this is great, and it is only $4. I also bought some of these bins, which are a great size. I actually bought 4 of them. I think that I have deep shelves in my closet, so I think I'm going to use them as kind of pull-out drawers. I'll put everything in, label the front, and just kind of use it so that you can easily access the back as well as the front of the closet. And the other thing that I really like are these clear bins with lids. These are the lids, and these are fantastic too. Another thing I really love at Dollarama this time of year are the vases and pots. Here are a few of the ones that I liked. And the ones that I actually purchased were this one, which I love the pattern on it. I think the yellow is perfect for summer. I'll probably put this out on my patio, but it would look nice inside my house too. This one was $4.50 and it's glass. I thought this was really cute. It's good on its own, but I thought it also went well with this little one that was only $2.50. Isn't this so cute? So you can put a plant in it, but it also looks cute paired with this $4 faux plant from Dollarama. Just pop it in, super cute. I have an idea for this for a teacher gift. I thought I could put "thanks for helping me grow," and then the teacher can use it like this on his or her desk, or they can use it at home to plant something. What do you think? In keeping with the faux plant theme, I found this little owl, which I thought was super cute. It's a little succulent. It was only $3. However, the color and the paint job make it look kind of cheap. So I thought I would just paint it white with white chalk paint and then kind of sand it to get some of the details out. But I think this is really cute. What do you think? Would you leave it like this, or would you paint it white? I also found this little trinket dish. It was only $3.50, but I think it looks a lot more high-end. It matches my decor with the black and white, pretty simple, nice wood top. I think it would also be cute to DIY a monogram on the lid and give it as a gift. What do you think? You like this one? The last thing that I want to share for summer is a fun drink idea. My son loves fruit quenchers from Starbucks, but they're a little pricey. So I am going to buy these for summer, fill a cup with a straw full of this and ice, and add some of these dried fruits from strawberries from the Dollarama. And these are both from Dollarama, and I think this is gonna be perfect for summer. I hope you enjoyed these finds from my latest Dollarama shopping trip. If you found anything great lately, leave it in the comments so I can check it out. I always like to find something new. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.